Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, my Polygon MATIC earn has expired, and I received the MATIC back into my account. So what I need to do now is I need to go in and restake it since my position has grown since we've last done this. So I'm going to go to earn, and I'm going to go hit the plus button. MATIC Polygon 3-month term. Continue. Okay, I got it. And I'm going to put here, put clear. I'm going to put 350. Now, I'm doing a nice round number. I'll still have some MATIC in my account. So, I can trade if needed. But here we go. It's a 3-month term. We're getting 10%. So at the end, I'll have another 35 MATIC if I do it for the whole year. Okay. Okay, you can see I still have 118 MATIC in my account because there was an error that happened. And I'm only actually staking 250, which is a little unfortunate. I was hoping to get the full 350 in there. So stay tuned next time, and maybe I won't mess up. Alright, you can see here I have MATIC staked for 3 months. Amount is 400 and I have 250 staked. Alright guys, if you guys want to earn MATIC and Polygon MATIC, come in here to crypto.com. You can stake for 10%. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.